Says last month a woman had a mass of 53 kgs. Reduce this by x kgs, so her mass is less than 50 kgs. Assuming that x is less than 6, find the range of values for x. It says she reduced it by x kgs. So initial mass, initial mass equals to 53 kgs. Reduction equals to x. We do not know what it is, kgs. And then now her weight, current weight. You know, they've put mass there. And current mass, this is using mass. It's okay. Current mass is less than 50. So it's going to be less than 50. And then now let's find out. So 53, essentially they're saying 53 minus that x gave her a mass that is less than 50. And then if you move things around, that means 53, that means your x moves to the other side. The 50 comes here, changes this sign, your x goes to the other side, changing its sign, becomes positive. Now it's going to be 3x. Move this like that. Now, since it's like that, it then says, so now we know x is greater than 3. But it then says, find the range of values, assuming that x is also less than 6. So now that means our values will look like this, because x is less than 6. So our values are between 3 and 6, not inclusive of them. There is 4 and there is 5. So she can lost 4 kgs or 5 kgs. So maybe let's put an or there.